Now let's check on your local forecast for the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. Today, sunny. Very breezy early this morning. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms early this morning. Hot with highs in the middle to upper 90s. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of rain 20%. Tonight, clear. Lows around 70. Issued at 5:49 a.m. Central Daylight Time. High wind warning in effect until 7 a.m. Central Daylight Time this morning. South winds 30 to 40 miles per hour with gusts up to 65 miles per hour. The areas affected include Collin, Dallas, Fannin, Hunt, and Rockwall counties. The hazardous weather conditions are expected from until 7 a.m. Central Daylight Time this morning. Impacts: damaging winds will blow down trees and damage property. Power outages are possible. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Watch for falling debris and tree limbs. Use caution if you must drive. The current time is 5:50 a.m. Central Daylight Time. You're listening to NOAA All Hazards Radio, the voice of the National Weather Service, station KEC55. Serving the Dallas-Fort Worth listening area. Issued at 5:49 a.m. Central Daylight Time. High wind warning in effect until 7.